Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create muscles and how you can do like the weightlifting pose on Dress to Impress. So for the muscles, make sure you've saved your skin color palette, like your skin color, I guess. Okay, I already saved it. And then for the kind of like muscles, you're just going to use the sleeves here, color it the same as your skin tone, as well as this one, color it the same as your skin tone. And for the arms, you can use this one and then only sleeves, and then again color it the same as your skin tone. You can add like more gym items, I guess, if you'd like to. I'm just going to leave it as is. For the like weights, we are going to use this code item, and then I'm just going to color it like gray, I guess, and then turn off the X, and then select the low toggle, and then for the like pose, I'm just going to go to the Halloween pose pack and select the puppet one. So it looks like you're lifting the weight. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!